realize I've got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. I just came up here to get some water from the vending machine, and it was giving me problems in the beginning. So now we have water, we can make coffee. Morning guys, I don't know if I've already said good morning to you, but good morning nonetheless. It is currently around 10 a.m. and I'm having a cup of green tea, hence it's in this strainer. And yeah, so I'm busy watching Umeshangasi's vlog, my sister. Check her out, I'll link her channel. And I'm just enjoying the views, so I'm gonna start with some green tea because I'm feeling, I'm feeling very sickly. I feel like I have mumps or something. I don't know what this is. It's just so painful. So I'm gonna do that and then have some coffee, then some breakfast. So yeah, hope you guys woke up on the right side of the bed. Let me show you the green tea I'm having. It's actually, so I bought 2 teas yesterday. Oops, I'm squashing them. Actually 3 teas yesterday. And I don't mean the band. This is safflower tea. And I just squashed this one to death. And mulberry tea. Both are good with vitality, antioxidants, weight loss, weight management, cholesterol, BP management, and all that jazz. And then I got this one, which I can't read. I assume it's a Chinese company. It's written in Chinese calligraphy. 3 horse tea is what it's called from underneath here. Another thing that you have to do when you come to Thailand is get yourself as many teas as possible. Very good tea. This is quite mild, unlike most of the green teas, which actually turn like super scary. So that's what I had. These 2 last night together. I don't know if I should have. I put them in 1 cup. And let me tell you something, I felt so nauseous. I felt like I wanted to ophoid and jekuningi ending iwan, and I felt terrible when I fell asleep. So I'm assuming this was really detoxing me because wow, I need to really do a deep dive on TikTok to these teas as to what's the story, what are the true benefits, because I checked them on Google before I bought them and I was quite impressed. Anyway, let me have my tea, switch on the AC because I'm heating up now, as you can probably see. Bye guys. Tonight it was past 8 o'clock and she peed and pooped outside. So I'm trying out a new coffee. This is called, I should have not opened it first. Zolito. And they say the notes are, the aroma is vanilla-like, slightly sweet, bold, tempting with a hint of vanilla-like finish. Acidity is 2.5. The body is 3.5 out of 4. So I'm ready to try this. I'm gonna put it in my trusted pods. So yeah. Bye. My other coffee is not finished, but I am just so over thinking about I have to wait until this is finished for me to taste this one. No way, bro. No way, bro. I can break you off and your beauty do it all. Speak on me when I don't go. I can break you off and your beauty do it all. No, nothing at all. No, nothing at all. I'm back. I'm done eating. I'm done having the green teas, the coffee. I'm about to drink some water and then head downstairs. I need to get a package. There's a package that's being delivered. So I need to get that and see. I think I might have an idea what it is. And we'll talk about it shortly.